Welcome to My Vital, and we are dealing in large range of beauty and health products. Experience the magic of rejuvenation with our facial serum, because your skin deserves the best. Discover the elixir of youth with our potent facial serum, visible results, unmatched confidence. A shampoo not only provides the cleaning of the scalp, skin and hair as its primary function, but in addition also serves to condition and beautify hair and acts as an adjunct in the management of various scalp disorders. Hydrate and rejuvenate your skin with our anti-wrinkle, reducing the appearance of age spots and sagging. Facial creams often contain anti-aging ingredients like retinol, peptides, and antioxidants that help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Regular use of facial cream can help improve skin texture, promote collagen production, and minimize signs of aging. Indulge in the allure of our signature scent, because you deserve to feel irresistible every day. Order now myvital.co.uk.